Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to erase a USB drive using Windows built-in tools. First, open Disk Management by typing Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions into your Start menu search bar. Once open, carefully identify your USB drive. Look for its size, like 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes, and its assigned drive letter. It's super important to select the correct drive to prevent any accidental data loss on your main hard drive or other storage devices. Now, let's clear out any old data. Right-click on each existing partition on your USB drive. From the menu, select Delete Volume. You'll get a warning that all data will be lost, so confirm this action. This step is crucial for a complete erase. Repeat this process for every partition on your USB drive until the entire drive appears as a single block of unallocated space. This ensures a fresh start for your drive. With your drive now showing as unallocated space, it's time to make it usable again. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will guide you through the next few steps. Accept the default size to create one large partition. Then, assign a new drive letter, like E or F, and choose a file system such as NTFS or FAT32. Finally, give your drive a new volume label, perhaps My USB Drive, and click Next. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all your chosen settings in the wizard. Make sure the file system and volume label are exactly as you want them. For most users, performing a quick format is perfectly sufficient and much faster. Once you are satisfied, click Finish to complete the process. Your USB drive will then be formatted, completely erased, and ready to store new data. You've successfully wiped your USB drive clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.